Okay, so it's obviously it's good to try them first. Before I show you what to do, just try. Even if you can't do the whole thing, when you try, then you can see where you got stuck. Okay, so when you look at the question, first do it and then see what you're supposed to do if you feel like you didn't get it right. So there's two ways to do this one. Okay, the one way is to put it over 1. Okay, you can put the 5 over 1 so that it's also a fraction. Then you can multiply this by 3 both sides. Remember with fractions, what you do on the one side, you must do on the other side. If you do it with the denominator, you must do it with the numerator. And then you can say now it's over 3 and over 3. When you have an equation and they're divided by the same number, you can take them away because it's equal, it's balancing out. So now you can say therefore x plus 2 is equal to 5 times 3, which is 15. Okay, so you can say that, okay, because you take away the denominators, stay the same. And then you can take the 2 over, so 15 minus 2 gives you 13. So there's the answer. Another way to do it would have been to say cross multiply. When you've got one fraction, only one fraction on the one side, and a fraction or a number or something, just one term on the other side, you can cross multiply. So you can say if it's x plus 2 over 3 equal to 5, you can basically say I multiply this one over. Okay? And therefore you get x plus 2 is equal to 5 times 3, which is 15. And you get the same answer. Take it over. 15 minus 2 gives you 13. Okay, with this one now it's more difficult because now I've got two fractions. So I can't multiply the 3 over. What about this 2? I can't multiply the 2 over, then what about this 3? So when there are two separate fractions, now the best thing to do would be make the denominators the same. You guys learn about LCD, lowest common denominator. So now you can say, let's put this one over 1. Let's also make it a fraction. And then the LCD would be 6. So we're going to multiply this one by 3 both sides again. So put the brackets around. Okay. Multiply this one by 2 both sides. And multiply this one by 6 both sides. Okay, so we try to get the denominators the same everywhere. The LCD. Very important to remember the brackets here. X plus 1 in brackets times 3. Okay, now we can say multiply the 3 in. So it's going to be 3 times x. 3x, 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 2 gives you plus 4x, and then 8 times 6 is 48. So now we take away the denominators. And now 3x plus 4x gives you 7x. 48 minus 3, take the 3 over, 48 minus 3 is 45. And then when I divide by 7, I can say therefore x is going to be 45 over 7. That's my answer. 45. Those 7's cancel out. You get x equal to 45 over 7.